Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you I can resize cells in your diagrams on Google Drawings. So let us get started. So let me navigate to that example diagram here and make space here at the bottom of that page. And let me insert, let's say, a grid diagram for the sake of this tutorial, like this one. So what you want to do, guys, is left click into the given cell. You may move it, and then if you'd like to change its size, what you want to do is click into one of these corners and resize it. You may do the same for entire row or column and resize the entire row by clicking into these corners. You may also navigate to the format options here and then expand size and rotation, and here enter the custom width and height for the column or a row or cell size, or use, for example, to lock the aspect ratio feature here if you'd like to lock this one to keep the same aspect ratio. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.